Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day. From groundbreaking inventions to shocking historical moments, we've got it all covered. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into today in history.
21st February holds significant historical importance globally, India and in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, India. 1940, Ghana Erskine withdrew compulsory Hindi teaching and made it optional in schools, following widespread anti-Hindi agitations. Career India. 2018, launch of Makkal Nidhi Mayam, renowned actor Kamal Haasan founded his political party, Makkal Nidhi Mayam, in Tamil Nadu, introducing a new dimension to the state's political landscape. Career India. 2019, Tamil Nadu bans e-cigarettes. On 21st February 2019, Tamil Nadu became the first Indian state to ban e-cigarettes, aiming to protect public health from potential risks associated with vaping. BillyBirthday.com, India. 1999, the Lahore Declaration was signed between India and Pakistan, aiming to improve relations and address nuclear weapons issues. Career India. 2013 Hyderabad bombings, twin bomb blasts in Hyderabad resulted in 21 fatalities and numerous injuries, marking a tragic day in the city's history. Career India. World. 1848, the Communist Manifesto, written by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, was published in London, laying the foundation for modern socialist and communist movements. 1952, Language Movement Day in Bangladesh, then East Pakistan, saw police firing on university students protesting for the recognition of their native Bengali language. 1965, Malcolm X, an American activist, black nationalist, and Islamic leader, was assassinated in New York City. AP News. 1972, U.S. President Richard Nixon visited the People's Republic of China, ending the 21-year estrangement between the two countries. AP News. Times 1953, discovery of DNA's double helix structure. On 21st February 1953, scientists James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA, a milestone in the field of genetics. Kids Connect. Times 1958, design of the peace symbol. Gerald Haltom designed the iconic peace symbol on this day in 1958 for the Campaign for Nuclear Disarmament in the UK. The symbol combines the semaphore signals for N and D, standing for nuclear disarmament. Time and date. Births. 1894, Sir Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar, Indian scientist and the first Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. 1896, Suryakant Tripathi, Nirala, Indian poet, novelist, and essayist. 1924, Robert Mugabe, Zimbabwean revolutionary and politician who served as Prime Minister and later as President of Zimbabwe. 1946, Alan Rickman, English actor known for his roles in films like Die Hard and the Harry Potter series. 1961, Abhijit Banerjee, Indian-American economist and Nobel laureate. Deaths. 1677, Baruch Spinoza, Dutch philosopher. 1829, Kittur Chennamma, Queen of Kittur, a princely state in Karnataka, India. 1965, Malcolm X, American activist. 1991, Nutan, Indian actress. 2011, Aramula Ponnamma, Indian actress. These events underscore the diverse historical significance of 21st February across various contexts.